So here we will begin by rewriting the differential equations as x minus 1 dy equals to 2xy times dx. Then we will divide both sides by y times x minus 1. So that should give us dy divided by y equals to 2 times x divided by x minus 1 dx. So this is now in the variable separable form, because we can see that the coefficient of dx is entirely a function of x, and coefficient of dy, which is 1 over y, is a function of y. So let's integrate both sides. Since 2 is a constant, I have pulled it out of the integral. Now, integration of dy over y. So for this, we are going to use the proper formula, that integration of du over u, that's equals to natural log of u plus the constant of integration c. So this will be equals to natural log of y. However, I'm not going to use the constant of integration on the left hand side. That will be taken care of with the help of one single constant of integration. That's because we have two integrals. There will be one contribution from the integral on the left hand side, and another constant will come out from the integral on the right hand side. However, in our final answer, we'll use only one constant of integration. So that's why for this particular time being, I am dropping the constant, which is coming out as a result of integrating 1 over y. Now, to integrate the integral on the right hand side, so there's a little bit of issue here, because if we see that the exponent of x in the numerator is 1 and the exponent of x in the denominator is 1 as well. So whenever we have a function like this, we always need to have the power of x in the numerator less than the power of x in the denominator. So that means we need to divide the numerator with the denominator by using the long division method. However, in this particular case, I'm not going to do the long division. There's a much faster and simpler trick. So in the numerator, I can rewrite it as x minus 1 plus 1. So what I've done, I have subtracted 1 and added 1 to it. That's not going to affect the numerator. Divided by x minus 1 dx. So that's natural log of y equals to 2 times integration. So we have x minus 1 plus 1. So we can write it as x minus 1 divided by x minus 1 plus 1 over x minus 1 dx. Right. So that means this x minus 1 and x minus 1 immediately cancels out, leaving us with 1. So integral will be natural log of y equals to 2 times integral dx plus 2 times integral dx over x minus 1, which is equals to 2 times integration of dx will be simply x plus 2 times, so integration of dx over x minus 1. So here we'll use the formula that integration of du divided by u plus some constant a is equals to natural log of u plus a plus the constant of integration c. So we have natural log of x minus 1. So here a is negative 1 plus the final constant of integration. So that's going to be equals to c. So that means this c has come from integrating this particular integral, this and the one on the left hand side. So this is like a combined constant. So we can say thus natural log of y equals to 2x plus 2 times natural log of x minus 1 plus c is the required solution to a given differential equation.